In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Kit form. We'll be working in the latest Kit interface, and I'll walk you through one clear, direct path from the moment you log in to the moment you have an embed code you can place on your website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common points of confusion. Once you're logged into your Kit account, start at the very top navigation bar. Look for the tab labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all the tools related to building your audience, including landing pages and forms. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, select Landing Pages and Forms. This takes you to the main area where all your existing forms and landing pages live and where you'll create new ones. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Create New. This is your starting point for building anything new in this section. Click that button. Kit will now ask what you want to create. Since we're focusing specifically on an opt-in form that you can embed on your site or blog, choose Form. This is different from a landing page because a form is meant to appear within an existing page or as a pop-up rather than being its own standalone page. Next, you'll be asked to choose a display format. This is how and where your form will appear to your visitors. You'll see options like Inline, Modal, and Slide-in. Inline means the form sits directly within your content, like in the middle or at the end of a blog post. A modal is a pop-up that appears on top of the page, usually dimming the background. A slide-in appears from the side or bottom of the screen and feels a bit more subtle than a full pop-up. Choose the format that best matches how you want people to see your form. After selecting your display format, you'll be shown a variety of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can customize later with your own text, colors, and images. Hover your mouse over the template you like, and you'll see a Choose option appear. Click Choose to select that template and move into the editor. Once you're in the editor, you can adjust the content and design as needed. When you're ready to use the form on your site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This will generate your JavaScript embed code. Copy that code and paste it into your website wherever you want the form to appear. That's it. You've created a Kit form using the latest interface and a simple, direct workflow.